So, hello, Thorin.
Hello, Ajax. Have you heard about the treasure trove detected in the forest? We could find it.
Remember, all that glistens is not gold. Well. Remember, puny little people, we're going to find it first. You think? Well, who the heck are you?
We're going to get treasure.
Well, since only I know where this so-called treasure is, you should come with me.
Well. Who have we here? I'll have you know, we are...
There was no puny treasure. This place is set to blow up with one. A horse, my kingdom for a horse. First, focus on taking down the opposition.
Attack!
Run, now run!